So what is Karadiyar Noble? Today is the day we pray for the long life of our husbands. Namaste and welcome to Chachu Tales. So during Karadiyar Noble, we wear this yellow thread which signifies our thali, and we also make uppu vadai and sweet vadai. This is a prasadam which we keep during this festival. So let me tell you the story behind why we celebrate Karadiyar Noble. So this is a story of Satyavan and Savitri. Savitri was a very beautiful princess, and there were many princes who wanted to come and marry her. But she rejected everybody. So one day when she was going through a forest, she saw a woodcutter. He was chopping wood and somehow she felt very attracted towards him. So she went and started talking to him. As she was talking to him, she came to know that his name was Satyavan and he was the son of a king who was blinded by his enemies and thrown out of his kingdom. So they were living in the forest and he was taking care of his old parents. She was moved by the story and she had decided that she wanted to marry Satyavan. So she comes back to her kingdom and tells her father about this. It so happened at that point of time, sage Narada is also present in the kingdom. So he tells Satyavati that Satyavan is destined to live for just one more year. But this does not stop Savitri from insisting that she wants to marry only Satyavan. So they get married and she leaves behind the kingdom and goes and lives with her husband and her in-laws in the forest. Exactly after 1 year, Lord Yama comes to take Satyavan with him. Savitri does not give up. She follows Lord Yama as he is taking Satyavan to him to his abode. Lord Yama first tells her to leave. He said this is his dharma. He cannot let go of Satyavan, but Savitri does not relent. She keeps following him. Lord Yama is so happy with Savitri that she is following her husband and he grants her one wish. She wishes that her father-in-law regains his eyesight. The wish is granted. So again when Yama is traveling, he turns and sees Savitri still following him. So again he tells her, now what do you want? I'll give you one more wish. So she says, let my husband get back all the kingdom which he has lost. Yama grants that wish also. And as he's again going with Satyavan, he sees Savitri still following him and he just tells her that he's going to give her one more wish. So she folds her hands and says she wants to have a lot of children through her husband. Yama doesn't realize and he grants her this wish. So again, as they are going forward, he turns and sees Savitri still behind him. And he asks her, now what? I've granted all your wishes. So she tells him, how will I have children if my husband is with you? That is when Lord Yama realizes he has been outplayed by Savitri. He is pleased with her devotion and brings Satyavan back to life.